Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to operate Vsmile Dust Connect. Connect the air hose to the power supply. Connect the linkage line of the engraving machine. If the linkage is 1, then connect 1. 2, then connect 2. When the screen displays M is manual use, press the first button directly to start using it. Pressing the second button is to switch to the linkage mode. The screen displays A. Then activate the auto button to use the linkage function. The fourth button is to decrease the wing speed. The third button is to increase the wing speed. Automatically remove dust at 10-second intervals during use. There are a total of 3 automatic dust removal, 10 seconds, 30 seconds, 30 seconds. If you don't want to link up, just press auto to end it. Placement cartridge are removed clockwise. Install the cartridge counterwise.